and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making stuffed shells with meat. This is the ultimate comfort food. This is my first time making stuffed shells with meat. So for our ingredients, we have 1 box of jumbo pasta shells. We have a pound of ground beef, a half a cup of diced onions, 1 cup of diced peppers, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You want 124-ounce of jar of marinara sauce. People always picking at me about that. We need some salt and pepper. And then for our filling, we need ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, a half a cup, Italian cheese, 3 cups, and 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Also, fresh basil, salt, and pepper. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna preheat our oven to 375 degrees. You could use any non-stick spray to spray your dish. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cook our pasta shells according to our box directions. You wanna drain your water and place your shells on a wire rack so they do not stick together. We're gonna cook our ground beef with onions and peppers until done, and we're gonna drain any grease. Once we have drained any grease, we're going to stir in our garlic and our marinara sauce into the meat mixture. You want to season to taste with salt and pepper. So I'm gonna set my meat mixture to the side, and I am going to work on my ricotta mixture, which you need your ricotta cheese, your Parmesan cheese, your 2 cups of cheese, your egg, your basil, your salt, and your pepper. We're just gonna mix our ricotta cheese mixture up really well, making sure that our egg is evenly distributed throughout our mixture. And the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add some marinara sauce to the bottom of our baking dish. You wanna add about a cup or so of sauce, depending on how you like it. You gotta add a little bit more. Our shells, like I said in the beginning of the video, you wanted to put them on a wire rack once they are done, so they do not stick together. Here, I am filling my shells with ricotta cheese and the meat sauce. Some shells I added just meat, some shells I added meat and cheese sauce. I switched them up. I put the cheese sauce on the bottom, the meat on the top, or then I switch it over, put the meat at the top and then put the cheese at the top. So I just kind of wanted a different variety of different shells. Now your shells will swell up, so you want to make sure that you put enough tomato sauce in your pan. So here's just me showing you how I'm stuffing my shells, and I'm just gonna fill this pan up, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you my next step. Here we are finishing up the stuffed shells. As you can see, my pan is getting full, and like I said, I switched it up how I was stuffing my shells. I used the rest of my meat sauce to put on top, and you just want to try to evenly distribute that. You can add a little bit more sauce to the top if you would like. once we are done adding the cheese to the top, we are gonna cover with some foil and we're gonna bake 25 minutes. You wanna remove your foil and bake an additional 2 minutes. And you wanna serve immediately. I made some Caesar salad with this and it was delicious, and some garlic bread, and let me tell you, this was a meal that will fill you up real quick. And today we made stuffed shells with hamburger meat, and let me tell you, it was so good. If you try this recipe and you like it, just comment down below. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.